Seedhawk's toughness is legendary. It'll come through when the pulling gets heavy. Seedhawk toolbars are built strong enough to extend 85 feet wide and still tough enough to pull an 800-bushel tank. Designed and tested by the best engineers in the business and by growers who work in the company, Seedhawk toolbars are built to last. Seedhawk has enough confidence in the quality of their equipment to provide an industry-leading 5-year frame warranty. This is part of the Seedhawk commitment to quality. Toolbars are available in 10, 12, or 15-inch row spacing and widths from 20 to 85 feet. Whether big, small, or in between, Seedhawk has a tank for you. Starting with the 400 2-tank system and moving up to the 3-tank 500, 600, and 800 series air tanks, Seedhawk delivers the capacity you need, no matter what crop you're seeding. An onboard liquid fertilizer tank can be added to any 66-foot or smaller Seedhawk system to maximize flexibility when dealing with fertility planning. The huge Model 800 air tank is the largest in the industry. It features 800 bushels of capacity divided into 3 tanks. The 800 has the capacity to keep even the largest farms seeding with less filling. The Model 600 is available in a tow-behind or a tow-between configuration. The 600 also has 3 tanks and 2 high-capacity fans to keep you moving. The Model 500's 3 tanks with dual fans are ideal for the mid-sized farm. It's available in a tow-behind or tow-between configuration. The Model 400 features 2 tanks and 1 fan. It's a great fit for growers who seed smaller acreages or use liquid or anhydrous as their main source of fertilizer. The 400 is available in tow-between, tow-behind, or onboard configurations. To make loading and unloading more convenient, Seedhawk now makes a dual-access catwalk standard on all air tanks. Seedhawk offers several tank options. The hydraulic bag lift is a great addition for your new tank. It lifts up to 550 pounds of product to the top of the catwalk to make loading a breeze. Optional loading augers come with a wireless remote that lets you move and control the auger's hydraulic arms from the truck, the ground, or the catwalk. Seedhawk's conveyor is the perfect option for your cart to cut down on filling time. The belt conveyor is gentle on all your seed, including pea and lentil, and the low-profile belted hopper will fit under most semi-trailers. The 10-inch conveyor tube is equipped with a 16-inch cleated belt, which curls when it runs through the tube. This advancement allows the conveyor to move mass amounts of product up the tube on a steeper angle than conventional conveyor belts. Optional loading augers and conveyors come with a wireless remote that lets you move and control the auger's hydraulic arms from the truck, the ground, or the catwalk. Ross and Daryl Reynolds of Nokomis, Saskatchewan explain the beauty of this system.
That now with this remote-controlled auger for loading the tanks and the remote control for operating our truck box and tailgate and so on, that Daryl and Gary said they don't even need to come out to the field to help me load anymore. They can just stay doing something else and let me do it all by myself.
I'm going to leave the 78-year-old out there operating without any assistance.
Long-lasting, durable stainless steel meters are at the heart of the Seedhawk metering system. Built to resist fertilizer corrosion and reduce wear, the stainless steel meters accurately move product from the tank compartment to the air delivery system. Simple and accurate product splitting into the 2.5-inch stainless steel lines is done below the meter, eliminating the need for a large primary head. Product from any compartment can be diverted to the seed or the fertilizer airstreams, giving your system maximum flexibility. Seedhawk's stainless steel meter construction is designed for years of trouble-free, easy-to-use operation. Seedhawk's innovative gearbox and spiral roller combination comes standard on all air tank models. The gearbox from Seedhawk's technology partner Vaderstad greatly diminishes the need to change product rollers and provides farmers with user-friendly technology to ensure accurate, fail-safe rate settings for almost any seed size. The rubber spiral roller provides gentle handling and immediate delivery of the product to the airstream on startup. Standard on-cart meter calibration makes seeding rate adjustments a breeze. A simple 4-step process will have you back seeding in no time. Simply set the gearbox to 100, enter your target rate, crank an adequate sample, and enter your weight into the monitor. Finally, adjust the gearbox to recommended settings, and you're done. Seedhawk's gearbox and metering system lets you change product flow rate with a flip of a switch. The on-the-go rate adjustment makes farming by management zones possible and paves the way for automated prescription application of seed and fertilizer. The Viper Pro field computer opens up your Seedhawk to a whole new world of technological advancements. The easy-to-use intuitive 10.4-inch touchscreen monitor allows you to control and monitor drill and tank functions from one screen. Vary up to 5 seed or fertilizer product rates. Monitor your ultrasonic bin levels. Map your fields or connect to the internet simply by touching the screen. Seedhawk's sectional control technology is an innovative way to eliminate overlaps and save on input costs. Sectional control technology works in conjunction with GPS and auto steer to lift openers when seeded ground is encountered and shut down metering of seed and fertilizer, all reducing ground disturbance and doubling up of inputs. This can save up to 10% of input costs. Wolf Farms started seeding with an 84-foot Seedhawk in the spring of 2009. Dwayne Wolf explains why they looked at sectional control technology.
I've always been interested in trying to divide my seeding implement into a smaller division than the whole width of the seeding implement, because their land is potholy and we have a lot of wedges and pie-shaped pieces to seed around. And when I heard that Seedhawk was coming out with their SCT, I was very interested just for the fact that if you can save, we feel we can save from 5 to 7, 8% of our acres with that. And so when you overlap, not only are you wasting inputs, but a lot of times when you overlap, that crop lays down and it yields less than what the rest of the field yields.
Sectional control technology brings hands-free operation to controlling seed and fertilizer application. The system automatically starts and stops at the headlands when turning, with no flipping of switches or moving levers. And it can be used with all types of fertilizer, liquid, granular, or anhydrous. Now, wide toolbars are as versatile and flexible as small drills. An 84-foot toolbar can be operated in 10.5-foot wide sections. Dwayne Wolf explains why they went to SCT.
Well, on our farm, our 10,000-acre farm, we feel with conservative numbers that we've kind of crunched, we feel that we'll probably end up saving about $50,000 a year.
Daniel Bonkowski from Wapella, Saskatchewan also has a sectional control technology system. What is it that you like about sectional control technology?
It's the ability to save the acres when you're seeding, to minimize the overlap, lifting up the sections in pie shapes and wedges. It gives us the ability to run an 84-foot drill with sloughie land. We're not straight back and forth, so we need something that we can run the big width so we can do our 10,000 acres with the one air drill. We're going to save about $50,000 to $80,000 this year with the sectional control. It's working well, saving a lot of acres.
Seedhawk's Seed Between the Rows, or SBR technology, allows openers to run between stubble rows. This improves seed and fertilizer placement. Stubble can be cut taller at harvest, improving efficiencies and increasing the snow trapping potential. Because the stubble is left standing, it acts as a barrier to help prevent an opener from throwing soil onto the neighboring row. This also allows for slightly faster, safe seeding speeds. A paddle sensor rides above the ground to detect stubble rows. Hydraulic cylinders then move the frame to keep openers seeding between the rows. Paul Cherkas from Kamsack, Saskatchewan has been using Seedhawk's SBR system, and here's what he sees.
Well, I see that there's good in-row seeding with these Seedhawk drills. The stubble's still standing and making a black row in between the 1-foot rows of last year's canola crop, where the seed is being placed, and it's going to get protected when it cools off. Like today, it's already cooling off. This is going to be good protection when that crop comes up.
Seeding in hilly land has its own set of challenges. Not only is draft higher, but seeding on side hills can result in the poor tracking of your toolbar, making uneven or overlapped rows. With Seedhawk's rear wheel steering option to keep you on track, a sensor detects drift and steers the toolbar up the hill to keep you on the straight and narrow, giving you precise and accurate seeding.